Hi, everybody. My name is Helen Panza. I am your instructor for BUS220 this term. Together, we'll be exploring all aspects of management. We'll be exploring things like teamwork, successful teams, leadership skills, strategic planning, accounting and finance. It'll be a crazy ride, but I think you'll enjoy it. This course is very heavily writing intensive. We want to hear the voice of the student in your writing. I don't want to hear someone else's opinion that you may have researched. I don't want to hear what ChatGPT has to say. I want to hear what you have to say in your papers. Know that plagiarism is not tolerated, and we do have tools in Bryan University that are available to us, the instructors, to check for plagiarism and for AI use. So don't use it. Make sure you reference your sources appropriately. In addition to writing papers and using proper English, we will be looking at different topics in management through your Learnits, through your book, and through our live sessions. Our live sessions this term will be held during weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7 of your course. The morning session will be held on Wednesdays at 8 a.m. That's Pacific time. The evening sessions will be held on Thursdays at 5 p.m. Also Pacific time. You can attend one of those two sessions in your own time zone, and we will get together and explore different topics in management. I hope to see you at our first session. Remember to get started with your Learnits right away. Start looking at assignment 1. Get your grid on, buckle down, plan your time wisely. Assignments are due every week in this course, and they take some time. So don't wait until Sunday night to work on an assignment. Work on it throughout the week. We'll talk more about that in our first live session. Will be held on Wednesday, either in the morning at 8 a.m. or on Thursday at 5 p.m. Check your announcements, check your instructor welcome, check all of the things that are available to you in your course to make sure you understand when to show up for live sessions, when to turn in assignments, and how to be successful in this class. I will see you soon. Have a wonderful weekend and hit the ground running. Start with your Learnits. Get organized. I will see you then.